Hi folks, and welcome to Dutch Cooking. Today we're going to be doing this Chinese takeaway classic, Crispy Chilli Beef. If it's Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or you're just here for the recipes, don't forget to subscribe. So first of all, we have to slice our beef. I've got 400 grams, that's 16 ounces of sirloin steak. I'm going to cut it into 5mm, that's about 1/4 inch thickness strips. So that's our beef cut into strips. What we're going to do now is put that into a bowl. We're going to add some flavour to this beef. So I've got 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of pepper, and 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste. So we're just going to give this a good mix in, combine all the flavours into this marinade. Once we've done that, we're going to put this in the fridge and let this marinate for 15 minutes. Now it's time to make our sauce. For this, we've got 3 tablespoons of sweet chilli sauce, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. As always, all the ingredients will be below. So we're just going to give this a good mix up, combine all the ingredients in. That's our sauce ready for later. So we've got our beef back out. To this we're going to add 1 beaten egg. Just going to combine the egg in. To this I'm going to add about 3/4 cup of corn flour. I'm going to stir this in so all the beef is covered in the corn flour. This is what is going to give us our crispy coating. So that's it, all the beef is covered, ready. So I've got a wok with just vegetable oil in. I'm just going to separate these beef slices as I'm putting them into the wok. I'm going to do this in 2 batches. I don't want to overcrowd the wok and drop the temperature of the oil, and also make the beef stick together. These should take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook. This is what we're looking for, this crispy beef. I'm going to take the first lot out now. I'm going to drain it onto some kitchen paper. I'm just going to repeat the process with our second batch. This oil is about 190 degrees C. That's our second batch done. So I've removed the oil from the wok. I don't need to add anything to this. I'm just going to put half a chopped onion in. And half a chopped red pepper. I'm just going to cook these off, saute these off in this hot wok for approximately about 2 to 3 minutes. Just want them to start softening. You see the onion start to change colour slightly. What we're going to do now is going to add our beef back in. Our sauce that we made earlier, that's going in now. Combine this in and give it about a minute just to get the sauce up to temperature. Now to this we're going to add 2 julienne spring onions, and half a chopped red chilli. Obviously if you like it more hot, more heat, just add more chilli. Combine this in, we're just going to give this 1 minute. We are ready to serve crispy chili beef. So this is our crispy chili beef. All we're doing, just serving it on a bed of noodles. Crispy chili beef, created in cast iron. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.